Hey there, guys. Chet here. Most business owners think a CRM is just a digital filing cabinet for the leads they already have. They believe that to actually get new leads, they need to buy expensive software subscriptions for website chat tools and separate databases for cold outreach. They end up paying for 5 different platforms just to find one customer. But that's a complete waste of your money. Your sales pipeline should not just store your contacts, it should actively hunt for them. Today, I'm going to show you how exactly Pipedrive does this using a hidden powerhouse called LeadBooster. By the end of this video, you'll understand the 4 massive tools hiding inside of this one simple package. We're going to break down how to capture website traffic on autopilot and how to scrape a global database without ever leaving your pipeline. If you want to test these tools for yourself right now, I've got a great bonus for you. Use that link in the description to get an exclusive 30-day free trial of Pipedrive instead of their standard 14 days. And if you decide to keep using it after the trial, great. The discount is applied automatically when you sign up through my link, which means you get the same powerful Pipedrive for less than what others are paying. And I've linked my completely free Pipedrive masterclass below to help you set everything up step by step. So let's dive in. Right now, you probably spend a lot of time and money trying to drive traffic to your business. You run advertisements, you post on social media, you optimize your website for search engines. Great, all great work. Everything you do, though, is focused on getting eyeballs on your brand. You spend thousands of dollars every month just to get people to click your links. But here's the massive problem that most companies completely ignore. Getting traffic is entirely useless if you don't have a net to catch those visitors. People land on your website and they look around for 2 minutes and then they leave forever. They leave because there's no immediate way for them to interact with you. You lose out on a massive amount of revenue simply because you were not ready to start a conversation the moment they were ready to talk. At the exact same time, your outbound sales team is probably struggling to find good contact information. They're bouncing between 5 different software tools just to find an email address for a decision maker. Your lead generation is scattered and frustrating and highly inefficient. So how do you fix this leaky bucket without buying a dozen different software tools and duct taping them all together? How do you capture the people coming to your website and easily find the new people that you want to reach out to all in one convenient place? That answer, 2 words: Pipedrive LeadBooster. This is an add-on package that sits directly inside of your CRM. It completely eliminates the need for expensive third-party lead gen tools. Pipedrive says it has 4 main features, but really it is a complete inbound and outbound lead generation ecosystem. Let's break down exactly how these 4 specific tools work to fill your pipeline with cash-ready buyers. The first tool in the package is called Chatbot. You can think of the chatbot as your relentless virtual sales assistant. This assistant never sleeps. Oh, and never takes a lunch break. Well, wait, and also never asks for a raise. We live in an age of instant gratification. When a potential customer is on your website at 2 o'clock in the morning, well, they don't want to fill out a boring email form and wait 3 days for a reply. They want answers right now. The chatbot sits on the corner of your website and automatically engages with your visitors. You can build custom conversational flows based on what the visitor actually wants. The bot can ask them questions to figure out if they're a good fit for your business. It acts as an automated gatekeeper so that your sales team never wastes their valuable time talking to unqualified people. Music to your ears, right? If the prospect gives the right answers, the chatbot can capture their contact details and instantly create a new deal right inside of your pipeline. It can even share a calendar link and let the prospect book a meeting directly into your schedule without you lifting a finger. You can customize the colors and the language and the personality of the bot so that it perfectly matches your unique brand voice. It's the ultimate tool for capturing leads while you sleep. But let's be honest about business to business sales. We must. Sometimes a pre-programmed robot is simply not enough. If you're selling a high-ticket service or a complex software product, your buyers usually want to talk to a real human being. They have specific and nuanced questions that a bot cannot answer. That is exactly where the second feature comes into play, which is live chat, which is something that uses the exact same chat window on your website, but it actually allows your human sales team to take the wheel. Imagine a highly qualified prospect is sitting on your pricing page trying to make a difficult decision. Your sales rep could jump right into the chat in real time and say hello. They can answer objections. They can build trust instantly. The beautiful part is how these 2 tools work together seamlessly. You can set it up so that your human team handles the live chats during normal business hours. Then when everyone goes home for the night, the system automatically falls back to the automated chatbot. You get the high conversion rate of the human interaction combined with the 24/7 safety net of automation. It creates a flawless experience for your website visitors. The third piece of the inbound puzzle is web forms. Now, while chat tools are amazing, not everyone wants to have a conversation. Some visitors just want to leave their information and get a call back on their own time. Usually, companies use complicated third party form builders for this. The problem is that when you use a separate form builder, you have to rely on complex integrations like Zapier to push that data into your CRM. And those outside integrations break all the time, causing you to lose leads. LeadBooster solves this major headache by letting you create the custom web forms directly inside of Pipedrive. You can build a contact us form or a newsletter sign up form or an event registration form in just a few short minutes. Because it's built natively inside of your sales software, the connection is absolutely flawless. You have two incredibly easy ways to use these forms. First, you can embed them directly onto your website. Pipedrive gives you a simple piece of code that you can drop into your website builder. Second, you can just copy a direct link to the form. This is perfect for sending in emails or posting on your social media profiles. The moment a prospect hits the submit button, their data drops straight into your sales pipeline. There's no manual data entry and absolutely nothing falls through the cracks. Up until now, we've only talked about inbound leads. These are the tools you use when people naturally come to you. But what if your website traffic is currently low? It happens. What if you want to go on the offensive and aggressively hunt for your ideal clients? That brings us to the final and most powerful tool in the Lead Booster package called Prospector. Cold outreach is usually a massive nightmare for your sales team. Your reps spend hours digging through Google and LinkedIn trying to find the names of the right decision makers. Then they have to buy expensive credits on other platforms just to reveal a single email address and then hope it's right. Well, then they have to copy and paste that email address back into the CRM. It's a massive waste of their valuable selling time. Prospector puts an entire outbound database right inside of Pipedrive. Imagine having access to more than 400 million professional profiles sitting right next to your sales pipeline. You do not need to leave the software to find new business. You simply open the tool and set your specific filters. Let's say you're looking for chief marketing officers who work at investment management companies in the United States. You punch those exact criteria into the system, and Prospector instantly generates a list of perfectly matched profiles. You can browse through the companies and the individuals to find your exact target. When you spot a prospect that looks like a great fit, you simply use a lead booster credit to reveal their verified contact information. With one single action, they're instantly added as a fresh lead into your pipeline. Your sales team can immediately start sending them emails or making cold calls. It turns your CRM from a passive storage unit into an active and aggressive lead gen machine. Pipedrive Lead Booster is the ultimate bridge between your marketing efforts and your sales team. It stops you from really paying for a dozen disconnected tools and brings your entire lead gen process under one single roof. Stop letting your website visitors slip away to your competitors of all places, and stop making your sales team use 5 different tools just to find a phone number. Grab your extended 30-day free trial using the link in the description and turn on the Lead Booster package today. Take a few minutes, build a simple chatbot, and watch how it transforms your website into a lead capturing engine. And don't forget to check out the free training course we've linked below to help you master the entire system from day one. I'll see you in the next video.